fatigue, cramps, mood swings, hormonal ups and downs. Many women deal with these every month and often accept them as normal. But what if your body is actually asking for support? Today's video is about 3 incredible herbs that have stood the test of time when it comes to women's health. Whether you're navigating PMS, hormone imbalances, or low energy, these herbs can help you feel more in sync naturally. Let's explore how. This is day 4 of our 7-day natural wellness reset here on Awesome Naturales, your trusted space for healing, harmony, and natural health. If you've been enjoying this journey so far, tap subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new natural wellness tip. Number 1. Vitex, Chasteberry, hormone balance hero. Let's start with one of the most studied and respected herbs for hormone regulation, Vitex, also known as Chasteberry. Vitex doesn't contain hormones, it works by supporting your brain's signaling system, particularly the pituitary gland. This gland influences the production of key female hormones like estrogen and progesterone. So what does this mean? Vitex helps regulate the menstrual cycle, reduce PMS symptoms like mood swings, breast tenderness, and acne, and can support fertility. Real talk. This is not a quick fix herb. Most women need to take Vitex consistently for 3 to 6 months to notice full benefits. Think of it as a long-term relationship rather than a one-night stand. It's available in capsule, tincture, and tea form, but always consult with a practitioner, especially if you're taking birth control or hormone therapy. I personally know women who've gone from debilitating PMS to calm, manageable cycles with the help of Vitex, and that's why it tops our list today. Number 2. Maca root, energy, libido and mood stabilizer. Next up is maca root, a powerhouse adaptogen that's been used in Peru for centuries. Grown high in the Andes, maca doesn't contain hormones either, but it nourishes your endocrine system, the glands responsible for hormone production. If you often feel tired, foggy, or unmotivated, especially around your cycle or during perimenopause, maca could be your new best friend. It supports energy, enhances mood, boosts libido, and can help stabilize the ups and downs many women face hormonally. There are different types of maca, yellow, red, and black, with slightly different effects. Yellow is great for general use, red is gentler and often preferred by women with sensitive systems, black is more potent and energizing. You can blend maca powder into your smoothies, oatmeal, or lattes. Or take it as capsules if the taste isn't your thing. Start with small doses, around 1/2 teaspoon a day, and build up slowly. And remember, like most plant-based solutions, maca works best when used consistently. Number 3. Red raspberry leaf. The uterine tonic, our third herb, is beloved by midwives, doulas, and herbalists alike. Red raspberry leaf. Often called the womb tonic, this herb is especially helpful for women dealing with painful periods, heavy bleeding, or preparing for pregnancy and birth. Red raspberry leaf is rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. It helps tone the uterus, support efficient contractions, and reduce cramps and excessive bleeding during your cycle. You can enjoy this herb as a tea. Just steep a tablespoon of the dried leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Many women drink it in the second half of their cycle, or daily leading up to their period. If you're pregnant or trying to conceive, be sure to work with a qualified herbalist to time it properly. What I love most about red raspberry leaf is how gentle it is. It feels like a hug for your reproductive system, a quiet strength that supports your body without overwhelm. How to use these herbs together safely. So, how do you bring these 3 herbs into your life safely? It's important not to rush. You don't need to start all 3 at once. Begin with one, whichever one resonates with your needs most. For example, if your cycle is irregular or your PMS feels out of control, start with Vitex. If energy and libido are low, try maca. If you struggle with cramps and heavy periods, red raspberry leaf is your go-to. Always listen to your body, and ideally, check with a naturopathic doctor or herbalist, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. And remember, herbs work best as part of a bigger lifestyle approach. That means enough sleep, balanced meals, movement, and stress reduction. These plants support you, but you support the healing, too. Let's do a quick recap of the 3 herbs we covered today. Vitex balances hormones and eases PMS. Maca root supports mood, energy, and libido. Red raspberry leaf tones the uterus and eases menstrual pain. These are time-tested, science-supported plants that honor your body's natural rhythm. You don't have to just deal with symptoms every month. Nature has tools, and you have choices. Start small, stay curious, and remember, true wellness is about harmony, not perfection. Which herb are you most curious to try, Vitex, Maca, or red raspberry leaf? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a sister, friend, or mama who could use this info. And don't forget to download your 14-day high-protein hormone-balancing meal plan linked below. It includes easy-to-make meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack, as well as the recipes for each meal. Vegan and African alternatives as well as grocery list. Thank you for watching, and check out other videos on our channel for more health and wellness tips.